See students, I guess some of you would be feared about your FA1. See children, don't worry about your FA1 exam. We are there to support you. This revision video will give confidence for facing your social exams. Come, let us start revision. Fill-ups. The distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometer. Seasons are caused due to revolution of the earth. The continent which is covered by ice is Antarctica. The biggest continent is Asia. Mars is described as red planet. 71% of our earth is covered by salt water. Universe is a vast expanse of space. Galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. Life is possible only on the planet Earth. Universe is still expanding outwards. See children, key words to remember for fill-ups. First question, distance between the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometer. If you see distance between sun and earth, you have to write 150 million kilometer. Okay? This is the clue. Distance between sun and earth. If you see these words, you have to write 150 million kilometer. Okay children? Now second question. Revolution causes seasons. Wherever you see revolution, you have to write seasons. Revolution, seasons. This is the clue. If you see revolution, you have to write seasons. Okay? Now third question. Continent which is covered by ice. That is Antarctica. Clue, continent, ice. If you see these two words, you have to write Antarctica. Continent which is covered by ice. So here they have given ice. That is Antarctica. Continent, ice, Antarctica. Okay? Now fourth question. Biggest continent is Asia. Which is the biggest continent? Asia. Biggest continent. Here is the clue word biggest. Biggest continent, Asia. Asia, biggest continent. Okay? Now next one. Red planet, Mars. Which is the red planet? Mars. If you see red planet, red is the clue word. Okay? Red planet, Mars. Mars, red planet. Now next question. Salt water percentage 71. 71% of the salt water is there on the earth. Okay? So clue, here is the clue 71. 71%. Salt water 71. Salt water percentage 71. Now clear children? Now the seventh question. Vast expanse of space. Universe. Vast expanse of space. Universe. Here is the clue. Vast. Vast is the clue word. Vast expanse of space. Universe. Okay? Now eighth question. Huge cluster of stars. Galaxy. huge cluster of stars. Galaxy. Here is the clue. Huge cluster of stars. Huge is the clue word, okay? Huge cluster of stars. Galaxy. Galaxy. Huge cluster of stars. Okay? Now next. Life is possible only on earth. Life is the clue word, okay? Life is possible only on earth. Life, earth. Life is possible only on earth. Okay? Now next one. Expanding outwards. Which is expanding outwards? Universe. Expanding is the clue word. Okay? Expanding outwards. Universe. Universe. Expanding outwards. Okay, children? Now clear? See, children. Now answers alone I am revising. Okay? If it is very difficult that word, you have to divide and read. You have to split that word and read. Okay? See. First answer. 150 million kilometer. 150 million. While writing million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Kilometer, you have to write only km. Enough. Million. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. 150 million kilometer. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Million. Okay? Next. Seasons. S-E-A-C. Sons. S-O-N-S. Seasons. S-E-A-S-O-N-S. C. What spelling C? S-E-A-C. Sons. S-O-N-S. Seasons. Next. Antarctica. While writing Antarctica, you have to be careful because C is there. See here, C. Antarctica. 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 A-N. Antarc. See here I underlined C. T-A-R-C. Tarc. Antarc. T-I-T. Ka. You should not write K-A. C-A you have to write, okay? Antarctica. Ka. C-A. Ka. Okay? Antarctica. A-N-T-A-R-C. Antarctica. Antarctica. Next, Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia. Okay? Next one, Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia. Now next one, Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. Now sixth answer, 71%. That you know very well. Now seventh one, universe. Universe. U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E. Universe. I repeat. U-N-I. Universe. V-E-R-S-E. U-N-I. Universe. V-E-R-S-E. Universe. Galaxy. G-A-L-A-X-Y. Galaxy. G-A-L-A-X-Y. Galaxy. G-A-L-A-X-Y. Galaxy. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Again universe. U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E, universe. U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E, universe. Choose the correct answer. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The outer planets are also called as gaseous planets. The inner planets are also called terrestrial planets. Millions of years ago, an explosion called Big Bang occurred. The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. The universe is also referred to as cosmos. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. There are 5 oceans. Australia is the smallest continent. We live on the surface of the earth. Match the following. Smallest continent, Australia. Blue planet, Earth. Neptune, farthest planet. Seasons, Earth's revolution. Day and night, Earth's rotation. Ringed planet, Saturn. Earth's twin, Venus. Red planet, Mars. Natural satellites, Sun and Moon. Third planet from the Sun, Earth. Now let us see match the following. Smallest continent, Australia. Smallest continent, Australia. Smallest continent, Australia. Blue planet, Earth. Blue planet, Earth. Blue planet, Earth. Neptune, farthest planet. Neptune, farthest planet. Seasons, Earth's revolution. Already you know, revolution, seasons. Seasons, Earth's revolution. Seasons, Earth's revolution. Day and night, Earth's rotation. Rotation, day and night. Day and night, Earth's rotation. Day and night, Earth's rotation. Ringed planet, Saturn. Ringed planet, Saturn. Ringed planet, Saturn. Saturn, ringed planet. Earth's twin, Venus. Venus, Earth's twin. Earth's twin, Venus. Earth's twin, Venus. Red planet, Mars. Already you know. Red planet, Mars. Mars, red planet. Red planet, Mars. Natural satellites, Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon, natural satellites. Natural satellites, Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon, natural satellites. third planet from the sun. Earth. Third planet from the sun. Earth. Earth. Third planet from the sun. Write true or false. The planet near the sun are very cold. False. Our Earth is the third planet in the solar system. True. The seasons are caused by Earth's rotation. False. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. True. The outer planets are called gaseous giant. True. Now true or false? The planet near the sun are very cold. That is false. Because near the sun very hot is the correct answer. But here they have given cold. Near the sun, cold. See the clue words. Near the sun, cold. So, it is false. Why false? Near the sun, cold they have given. So, it is false. The planet near the sun are very cold. If it is hot means that is true. Okay, here I have given correct answer. False, correct answer is hot. Hot is the correct answer. Okay, here they have given cold. So that is false. I repeat, the planet near the sun are very cold. False. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. True. It is the third planet only. Okay. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. See here, Earth, third planet is the clue words. Okay. So that is correct. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. True. The seasons are caused by Earth's rotation. False. Seasons caused by Earth's revolution is the correct answer actually. But here they have given rotation. Seasons, here revolution means that is correct. Here they have given rotation, so that is false. The seasons are caused by Earth's rotation. False. Why false? Seasons, rotation. So false. If it is seasons, revolution means it is correct. True. Okay, children? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. True. Because rotation, day and night. That is correct. Okay? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. True. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. True. The outer planets are called gaseous giant. That is true. The outer planets are called gaseous giant. Outer planets, gaseous giant. Okay? The outer planets are called gaseous giant. True. Distinguish between inner planet, outer planet. Distinguish between inner planet, outer planet. First, inner planet. Inner planet The inner planets are called terrestrial planets. The inner planets are called terrestrial planets. The outer planets are called Jovian planets. The outer planets are called Jovian planets. I repeat, the inner planets are called terrestrial planets. The outer planets are called Jovian planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Here, first point, you have to write 5 times this terrestrial spelling. T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L. Terrestrial. T-E-R-R-E-S terrestrial. T-R-I-A-L. T-E-R-R-E-S T-R-I-A-L. Terrestrial. This word alone you have to write and see 5 times. Okay. Here the outer planets are called Jovian planets. Jovian. J-O-V-I-A-N. Jovian. J-O-V-I-A-N. Jovian. This word alone you have to write 5 times. Okay. The inner planets are, here this spelling you have to write Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. You have to write and see 5 times these words alone. This planets names alone. Okay. Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. M-A-R-S. Mars. Now the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This all 4 planets you have to write and see 5 times. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. Now answer in short. Define the origin of the earth. What is the question? Define the origin of the earth. Now answer. The universe was formed after Big Bang explosion. The universe was formed after Big Bang explosion. The universe was formed after Big Bang explosion. Galaxy was scattered in all the directions. Galaxy was scattered in all the directions. Earth is one among them. Earth is one among them. Second question. Define solar system. Define solar system. The collection of 8 planets and their moon in orbit around the sun together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Define solar system. The collection of 8 planets and their moon. While writing their, T-H-E-I-R, you should not write T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E means there, ange. T-H-E-I-R, their. Their means adanudaya. Their moon. While writing their, be careful, okay? T-H-E-I-R. The collection of 8 planets and their moon in orbit around the sun together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, spelling A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D-S, asteroids, A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D-S, asteroids. Meteoroids, M-E-T-E-O-R-O-I-D-S, okay, R-O-I-D-S, meteoroids, M-E-T-E-O-R-O-I-D-S, meteoroids. And comets, C-O-M-E-T-S, comets. I repeat once again. Define solar system. The collection of 8 planets and their moon in orbit around the sun together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Wherever I circled, know that words you have to write and see 5 times. Okay, children? Now third question. How many oceans are there in the earth? How many oceans are there in the earth? There are 5 oceans in the earth. There are 5 oceans in the earth. They are, here be careful, not there are. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. I repeat, there are 5 oceans in the earth. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. One more easy method is there here. You can take only start with A, no, this all answers. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. This also you can write one by one. Okay. Next you can write Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. This is one more method. Easy method. Okay. Now Pacific. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. Ocean you know already very well, right? O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C. Atlantic. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C. Atlantic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Already I told you know, while writing Antarctic, you should be very careful. Here you have to write C. A-N. Antarc. T-A-R-C. Tarc. Tick. T-I-C. Antarctic. Antarctic Ocean. Indian Ocean. You all know about this. I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Here also you should be very careful. A-R-C you have to write. Okay? Arc. A-R-C. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Now fourth question. List out any two hot and frozen planets in solar system. List out any two hot and frozen planets in solar system. Frozen planets, hottest planets. Frozen planets. Uranus, Neptune. Hottest planets. Mercury, Venus. Frozen planets. Uranus, Neptune. Hottest planets. Mercury, Venus. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. You have to write and see these four planet names 5 times. Okay. Now the fifth question. What is an ocean? What is an ocean? Oceans are vast expanse of water. Oceans are vast expanse of water. Water is found in oceans and seas. Water is found in oceans and seas. What is an ocean? Oceans are vast expanse of water. Water is found in oceans and seas. Here you have to write and see vast spelling and expanse spelling. Okay? Found also. Okay? These three words you have to write and see 5 times. Now answer in detail. Answer in detail. Write in detail about the continent. Write in detail about The continent. Answer. Continent is a large landmass separated from oceans. Continent is a large landmass separated from oceans. While writing separated, see the spelling. S-E-P-A. Here P-A you want to write, don't write P-E. Okay? S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E-D. Separated from oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe. They are Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe. Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia. Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa. Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. North America, N-O-R-T-H, North America, A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America, North America. South America, S-O-U-T-H, South America, A-M-E-R-I-C-A, South America. Antarctica, A-N-T-A-R-C, Antarctica, T-I-C-A, Antarctica. Europe, E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe, E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. Asia is more than 5 times as large as Australia. Asia is more than 5 times as large as Australia. India is a subcontinent of Asia. India is a subcontinent of Asia.